Hello everyone. Today we will discuss cultivation practices of turmeric. Myself, Professor Vayar Kadam, Department of Horticulture, KK College of Agriculture, Nasik. Let's introduction about turmeric. Turmeric, botanical name of turmeric is a curcuma longa. It is a ancient and scattered spice of India, non-Indian saffron. Is an important commercial spice crop grown in India. It is used in diversified form as a condiments, flavoring, and coloring agent as principal integrated ingredient in Indian culinary as curry powder. It has anti-cancer and antiviral activity, hence find use in the drug industry, the cosmetic drug industry and cosmetic industry. A type of star is also being extracted from a particular type of turmeric. The increasing demand for natural products as food additive make turmeric as ideal product as a food colorant. Botanical description of turmeric is botanically it is known as curcuma longa, family Gingiveraceae, origin India, genus curcuma and species longa. Chromosome number of turmeric is a 2n is equal to 63. Plant part is rhizome. Yellow color pigment in turmeric is due to curcumin. Soil and climatic requirement for turmeric cultivation. Turmeric required warm and humid climatic condition. It can be grown in diverse tropical conditions from sea level to 1500 mm above mean sea level. Within a temperature range 20 to 30 degrees Celsius is ideal with a rainfall 1500 mm or more per annum or under irrigated condition through turmeric thrives in different type of soil range from light black loam, red soil to clay loam. Rich loamy soil have a natural drainage and irrigation facility are the best. Turmeric cannot stand water stagnation or alkalinity soil. Some varieties of turmeric: Lokhandi, Vagan, Krishna, Coimbatore 1, BSR 1, Sukuna, Suvarna. These are the important variety growing in different part of country. Propagation and planting. The crop is propagated through rhizome, seed rate. That is, first one is a mother rhizome and second one is a finger rhizome. Mother rhizome seed rate required 2000 to 2500 kg per hectare and finger rhizome required 1500 to 2000 kg per hectare. Planting at the time of planting 25 gram powdered neem cake mixed with soil is applied in each pit taken in spacing for a spacing of 20 to 25 centimeter within between the row. Seed rhizome may be put in shallow pits and to cover with well-rotted cattle's manure and decomposed manure with trichoderma 10 gram compost including with trichoderma. A seed rate of 1000 kg rhizome is required for planting of 1 acre of land as an intercrop is a fruit garden. Seed rate may be as a low as 125 to 200 kg per acre. Turmeric can be planted during the April to July with the receipt of pre-monsoon showers. Manures and fertilizer for turmeric. Turmeric need heavy manuring, application of well-rotted cow dung or compost from own on farm at the rate 2 to 3 tons per acre may be given as a basal dose while planting of rhizomes in the pits. In addition, application of neem cake at the rate point, mm, 0.8 tons per acre is also desirable. Irrigation for turmeric. Turmeric is grown in rain-fed crop is a high rainfall area. Irrigation is required if there is a moisture stress due to lack of adequate rainfall. Depends on the type of soil and climatic condition. Irrigated crop required one 15 to 20 irrigation in medium heavy soil and 35 to 40 in light soil texture soils. Harvesting. The crop has to be harvested at the right maturity and is ready for harvesting is about 7 to 9 months after sowing, depend upon the variety. The aromatic types mature in about 7 months and in intermediate type in mature is about 8 months and late type is about 9 months. Usually the land is plowed and the rhizomes are graded by hand picking or clumps are carefully licked with spade. Harvested rhizomes are clean and mud and other extraneous matter added to them. The average yield per acre is 8 to 10 ton of green turmeric. Yield of turmeric is a 20 to 25 ton per hectare. Rhizomes should be harvested. This is the processing of turmeric. First of all, turmeric roots, turmeric fresh fingers, boil, and then dried turmeric, polishing, and another turmeric powder. This is a flowchart for turmeric processing. Fresh turmeric, harvested turmeric should be washed, turmeric cooked, turmeric drying, turmeric polishing, then turmeric grinding and turmeric powder. Thank you.